name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 5 new DIYs that I made. In this video, I'm gonna be using Dollar Tree items, but I'm also going to be incorporating things that I have, and I'm sure that you probably have these things at home. They're very easy and budget friendly to make, so I hope that you enjoy and have fun in today's video. Please, if you like it, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, remember to follow me on my social media pages. I have Instagram, I have Facebook, Pinterest, as well as my webpage. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video. And that's it guys, let's get started to these DIYs. Okay guys, for the first project, I will be creating a tier tray, and you will need 2 dowels about 4 to 5 inches long, and these are part of the wooden dowels of a Dollar Tree plunger. So I cut them, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is to paint these dowels in a black color using my Waverly chalk paint. Once they're dry, I will be using these bamboo cutting boards. This one is also from a Dollar Tree, and I love the color they have, so I will not be painting them, and I will measure to find and mark the center of the cutting board. From there, you can stick one of the round dowels, and to reinforce your tier tray, you must put a nail on it, and this way you're going to make sure that your tier tray is going to be strong enough. Then I'm going to be using another cutting board, and I'm going to put it on the other end of the round dowel with another nail. This is going to be a 2-tier tray, so that's why you need 2 cutting boards or any type of wood that you have at home. Once you have this part finished, I will be gluing the other round dowel that you have to the other cutting board with a strong glue. I'm going to be using super glue in gel. To add a couple details to our tier tray, I'm going to put these wood caps. I'm going to use 5 in total, and I'm going to paint them in black color. Once they're dry, I will stick 4 wood caps on the bottom of the cutting board to each corner, and then the other wood cap I'm going to stick it on the top of the tier tray on my wooden dowel. Guys, these wooden caps are from Walmart, but I'm going to be leaving you the link of where you can get them online at a good price. Once they're finished, this is how your 2-tier tray project will look like. I love the colors that these DIY have, and if you don't have these cutting boards, it's okay, you don't need them. You can use a wood plate or maybe a charger, and you can paint it the colors that you want. Next project, I'm going to be using these Jumbo popsicle sticks from Walmart, but you can recreate this same project using any type of popsicle sticks that you have at home. I'm going to put all my popsicle sticks together, and I'm going to draw a straight line, and I'm going to cut one end of each popsicle stick with my scissors. Now it is time to paint your popsicle sticks. I will be using 5 different shades. I'm going to be mixing some paint and colors. I will use my Waverly wax in antique color, and in some popsicle sticks I will mix it with black color, and other popsicle sticks are going to be just black color, and others maybe can have more of like a mineral color from Waverly chalk paint. And as I said, I'm going to be mixing paint just to have like 5 different shades. You can do more or you can do less. It depends on what colors you want your project to have. From there, you can use any container that you have at home, or you can use a glass jar from Dollar Tree. It depends on what you have at home. And what I'm going to be doing is to start sticking all the popsicle sticks in dispersing the colors that you stick together. Once you stick all the popsicle sticks, you can add a ribbon or a bow to your vase, or you can leave it simple as I did and then just add some flowers or greenery inside your vase. And I think this way your project is going to look amazing. I love how this DIY turns out, and it looks in a very high-end looking. For the next project, I'm going to be reusing a canvas, and I just need this square wood frame, so I'm going to be removing the staples to remove the canvas fabric. From there, I'm going to paint the wood frame with my Waverly wax in antique color and let it dry very well. Guys, you can go to your backyard and take some wood branches from the ground and try that they all have the same size, and then you can paint them using spray paint in black ultra matte color like I did, and let them dry. Now I'm going to start placing all the branches at the back of the frame to know where I want them to be, and then I'm going to be using hot glue, or you can use E6002 to stick all the branches on the back side of the frame. Once you have that part done, in order to hang the frame on the wall, I'm going to put a piece of rope on each side of the frame, and I'm going to be using my stapler. Once you finish, this is how your frame will be hanging on the wall. It looks beautiful, and it was free for me because I recycled the wood frame and the branches are from my backyard. For the next project, I will be reusing this plastic container of Dollar Tree wipes. You can leave this container the size that it has if you like it, but I'm going to be cutting it in half with my razor. From this container, I'm going to be using the piece that I cut and the lid. So I'm going to be using a rope, and I'm going to start gluing and covering all my container with this rope that I bought from Amazon. I know that Dollar Tree has nautical rope, but I don't want to go out and have to leave the house if it's not necessary. So I bought my crafts materials from Amazon recently for a very good price, and they arrived at the door of my house. So I'm going to be leaving you the link of this rope in the description box of the video in case you are interested. For the top or the lid of this container, I'm going to stick another small lid on the top just to give it more like shape to the lid, and then I'm going to be covering everything with the rope. To add a nice touch, I'm going to put a wood bead on the top of the lid, and I'm also going to stick 4 more beads at the bottom of the container to give it more height and a nice touch. The link of these beads will also be left in the description box of the video. Finally, I'm going to add this beads garland in black color that I made in another DIY video. The link is in the description just in case you are interested how to make it. And from there you can put inside a lot of things in this container, and I love how it looks. It is very easy and budget friendly to make. For the last project, I decided to reuse this metal basket. I'm also going to use 2 round dowels. They are 12 inches long, and I'm going to mark and cut them in half. From there, I'm going to glue 2 pieces together, forming like a triangle, or I'm going to be forming like a TV. And I'm going to be using hot glue to glue the wood because it dries faster. But to reinforce these dowels, I'm going to be gluing DECOR where the dowels are stick together. And you must have 2 equal pieces. From there, I'm going to stick these pieces to each end of the basket, and I'm going to be using hot glue, like I said, because it dries faster. And I'm going to stick DECOR again just to reinforce them and that they do not move. Once everything is glued together, I will give it a paint coat using my spray paint in black ultra matte color. To put a handle from side to side, I'm going to use another round dowel, and I'm going to paint it with my Waverly wax in antique color. And I'm going to stick this dowel in the top of the dowels that we made in like a triangle shape. From there, the only thing that you have to do is add decorations inside the basket, and this is how this project turned out. I love it. And guys, all the DIYs that I made in this video are extremely budget friendly to do, very easy. I just use some Dollar Tree supplies that I have, or trying to recycle or reuse things that I already had in my house. I really hope that you enjoy and have fun in today's video. Please, if you like it, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Let me know in the comments which project was your favorite. Please subscribe to my channel, and you can share this video and these ideas with friends and family. You can also follow me on my social media pages. I have Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, as well as my webpage. All the links are in the description box. Love you so much. Mwah! See you on my next video. Bye guys.